Charging.
Do you want your Samsung phone to announce if your phone is charging or not? Then open modes and routine. So you have to look for modes and routine. Select routines here. Tap on the plus icon. Select this option, add what will trigger this routine, and here search for charging. Select charging status. You can select for both wired and wireless charging. Tap on done. Then you have to go to this option, add what this routine will do. Open it and look for read aloud. Read text aloud, select it. And here you want to enter the text that you want to hear. For example, charging. Select done and then save. You can choose any icon for your charging status. Done. So once you do it, charge your phone.
Charging.
The phone will read out the text. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks.